If you have let yet another year pass where you have just been dreaming of video and didn't take any steps towards starting your online presence, then this video is for you. I'm going to give you the exact steps that I recommend taking for you to kickstart your video journey in 2020. If we haven't met yet, I'm Amanda Horvath, and I'm all about helping business owners and entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of their time. So if you're looking to use video in your strategy this year, then be sure to subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. I am personally so excited about this video, and so I am just going to do one of those long ramble takes to give you guys exactly what I am excited to talk about today. So for the past several months, I have been diving deep to determine who you are and why you are looking to use video to grow your brand, or how you're looking to use video. And what I've determined is that the majority of you are service-based business owners that serve local markets. So you have a service that you are offering to your local area, and you are primarily getting your leads via word of mouth. Now, having said all that, you also want to kickstart your online presence so that you can eventually shift from being purely a local service provider to having an online audience. Did I hit the nail on the head? If that is you, go ahead and drop a comment below. And if that is not you, then who are you? Go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. So once I figured out who you are and what you're looking to achieve, I put pen to paper and came up with an action plan that is perfect for helping you maximize your word of mouth referrals while also building your online presence. I have spent hours putting together a 3-part video series that I'm calling the Quickstart Guide to Video that is going to give you the exact steps that you need to take to kickstart your video journey in 2020. If you'd like to gain access to that, you can go ahead and do so in the description below or in the pinned comment below. In this 3-part video series, you are going to learn exactly how to choose your first 5 video topics. Then I'm going to teach you how to create your own explainer statement. And the explainer statement is describing who you are and who you serve. You've heard mine so many times, which is I'm Amanda Horvath, all about helping business owners, entrepreneurs leverage the power of video without breaking the bank or taking up tons of your time. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Let's create one for your brand now, because let me tell you that just having a statement in your videos is going to make all the difference in the world to increasing those word of mouth referrals in your local area. We'll explain more about that, or I'll explain more about that in the 3-part video series. So that is video number 2. Now, video number 3, I'm going to teach you how to structure your scripts so that people actually watch them. That way you aren't wasting time creating videos that people watch 2 seconds of and then abandon. How frustrating is that? Can I get an amen? Yes, I can. Woo! All right, moving on. You will also learn how to create a structure for your scripts that will actually be optimized to convert. So not only will people watch them, but they will move people in the direction that you want them to be moved in. Today is literally the first day that I'm opening up access to this 3-part video series. So if you gain access right now, I would love your feedback. You are going to get a couple of emails along with the videos that took me, honestly, forever to write. So I hope that they are helpful to you. And you can always just hit reply and let me know how the process is going for you and if you have any questions. So let me stop rambling so you can go ahead and download this guide now. Just go ahead and click the link in the description below or within the pinned comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.